Can pizza actually be good for you? We don't usually think of pizza as a health food, but the red sauce? That's a different story. Tomato sauce is packed with lycopene, an antioxidant found in red fruits like tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit. But here's the kicker. Lycopene actually gets more powerful when it's cooked. That's right, heating tomatoes breaks down plant cell walls, making lycopene easier for your body to absorb. And it comes with big benefits, especially for men. Lycopene supports prostate health, heart function, and even helps protect your skin from UV damage. So yes, your pizza sauce might actually be doing some good. Of course, not all pizza is created equal. Go for one with a hearty red sauce, veggie toppings, and a lighter crust. Want to take it further? You can also get lycopene from tomato paste, soups, or supplements. The secret's out. Some nutrients get better when heated, and lycopene is one of them. So next time you reach for a slice, just remember science is on your side. For more nutrition surprises and supplement smart tips, subscribe to the channel and check out our blog at bonavaletudo.com. To good health.